My name is Eliza and I live in Conniburrow. They're building houses, it's scaffolding. I think it's bad because they had to cut down a lot of trees and then there's like the animals like habitats and where they live. I ride my bike because it's really fun, it helps the environment and it's really good exercise as well. I cycle to school because I like it and because it doesn't give like pollution. The cars, they need to go 20 miles per hour because it's safer as people walk here. When we do our junior park ranger work, we go through those woods and we litter pick. We take out the sticky weed and we take out the stinging nettles which always get stung on my wrist. But I like nature because it's very fascinating. If you see closely, you can see all the leaves and all the type of birds and plants. On Tuesday, we're going to do a Junior Park Ranger Assembly, and our three inspirations are Greta Thunberg, Mrs. Phelps, and Miss Alsop. The litter comes flying! I like being a junior park ranger because I help the nature, the environment, and it's really fun as well. They should not litter. They should not put oil down their sink. And they should maybe not use cars as much. When I grow up, I want to live in a place that's much more healthier and pollution free. Absolutely fun!